Looky, y'all. Look at all this natural head of hair. It's all good and thick and curly. She say she want me to hook her up, so I'm getting ready to. Just gonna take a walk around her head. Check it out. Baby girl from Las Vegas, been in Atlanta 2 years. We finna touch it with some Jasmine Nicole Xclusives flavor. See. Stay tuned, y'all. Checking back in. Look at these results here. The hair so nice and shiny. Yes. We said shiny. Bouncy curls. Volume, body. Look at that transformation we did to that all natural. Zero in on those HD edges, looking good. Yes. See? This girl gonna go home tonight, just be able to put her bonnet on. Look at that shine. This is definitely a get up and go hairdo with just a little bit of some combing in the morning. Yapper. Finished results. Jasmine Nicole Xclusives.